It's a romantic song.
Okay.
Ang barun ng sona kang hon, long lelo ne ng sona kang hon, labang soa pirbi tir tipsi doji ne ng kang hon, ning biri ng nipan labang soa pir terure teka lichidong.
Hello and welcome to NE Karbi Life, the mirror of the society. I'm Miss ZKYF-2023 and today I have with me the winner of Miss Japralangso, Miss Kerolin Engtipi. Kerolin, welcome to you, and can you please give us a small introduction?
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to meet. My name is Kerolin Engtipi and my father's name is Boson Engti. My mother's name is Lili Engtipi. And I came from a place where it is called Japralangso, or even it is known as Sariajan, Karbianglo. And I'm learning, or I studied my BA at Devraj Roy College, Golaghat. Thank you.
Okay, that's wonderful. So Kerolin, how did you feel after winning this title?
Actually, I felt proud of myself, and even I feel proud to make my parents proud. And even when our parents is proud for us, and I'm more happy with that. Thank you so much.
Is it? So what are you pursuing? Like in which standard are you studying?
Currently, I'm BA first semester. I'm learning.
Oh, all right. So, Kerolin, is this your first time participating in beauty pageant?
Yes, it is. In this year, I have participated at Miss Japralangso, and by luckily, I got winner. And now I participate again in another in ZKYF, and here I win the winner too.
So you got 2 titles this year?
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic.
It's my first time, but I try it for.
So you have participated in different platforms
Yes.
this year. Oh, that's great. So Kerolin, as you have said that like you know first time you're participating here, but then you participated in different platform as well. So like what did you learn from it?
By this all, I have learned that when we have our aim, we should go forward. Though we sometimes difficulties are there, we have to face the problem and we should overcome with it, and we have to move on and never give up for that. Thank you so much.
That's great. So who is the person that you look up to the most?
My mother. She is my best friend and she is my role model of my life.
That's great. Your mother must be very proud. So Kerolin, so what are your future plans? Do you plan on going and participating in different platforms?
For now, I'm not planning anything, but for future, I'm going to try.
Good. You should. So Kerolin, since in order to participate in beauty pageant, I believe that you have faced a lot of struggles as well as you have also get a lot of opportunities in life. So can you please tell us that what are the struggles that you face and how did you overcome it?
Thank you for the question. It is very, what we can say is it is enjoy of life. We sometimes I feel some from our teacher, from the groomer, the school that we have. It is all the love of the teacher. I learned from that if anything the situation is, we should go forward we should learn more. We should not feel bad when we feel. We should be always positive and calm, and we should go on with that.
That's really nice. You should do this all the time. So Kerolin, so since you have won this title, so Miss who is the person that you wanted to thank the most?
It is my mother. Without her, I cannot come in this position. She loved me very much, and she usually support me in whatever I want, and I want to try for more to make her proud.
That's great. So Kerolin, if you're able to, contribute to the society? What would you like to contribute, and how are you going to contribute to the society?
I wanted to say about this that I want to give love to people, that with love, everything is happy to go with, whatever we do it. If we trust ourselves, then I just want to say, do with love and you will receive love back.
That's fantastic. That's really sweet of you, Kerolin. So Kerolin, what's your hobby?
My hobby is dancing and singing.
Okay. So Kerolin, earlier you have said that your hobby is dancing and singing. So can you please sing a song? It's like, I believe and I'm pretty sure that the people who are watching you will love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for giving me this time. I usually sing gospel singing, so I would like to sing one of my favorite songs. I will start.
Yeah, sure.
I am a stranger, but not an orphan. There is a pathway meant just for me. I'm only stumble when I will follow. I'm only stumble, but I never fall. Light of light, shine on my pathway. Shepherds call me down the road. I am coming, help me carry this heavy load. Thank you.
That's fantastic. I'm so much in love, I'm already, your voice is so melodious, I want to hear more from you. I want to hear more from you.
Thank you so much.
So can you please sing one song in Karbi?
In Karbi, I did not usually hear about, but I will sing one.
Yeah, sure, please.
It's a romantic song.
Okay.
Ang barun ng sona kang hon, long lelo ne ng sona kang hon, labang so apirbi tir tipsi doji ne ng kang hon, ning biri ng nipan labang so apir te rurete kan liche tong cheng ahut penon an. Thank you.
That's fantastic, Kerolin. Thank you so much for singing so beautifully. Kerolin, Miss, what's your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become a singer, but with that, I'm a person having two aims. That is a teacher. Why this is also a story why I want to become a singer is that my mother loves singing, and whatever her dream which she cannot fulfill, I want to try for that.
That's really great, Kerolin. So Kerolin, do you have, since earlier before participating in pageant, do you have that immense interest to represent yourself from back then, or this interest just came suddenly? Before this was announced, there's going to be Miss Japralangso and something like that?
Thank you. Suddenly I heard about this all, and I just want to try for more. Though I win or not, I just want to step forward for that. And so I try, and I get the news, and I just request that if anything it can accept. So she give me time, and I could do it.
Fantastic. And you have also won the title. Congratulations, Kerolin.
Thank you so much again.
So Kerolin, what are your thoughts about the climate change? As we are aware of the fact that there have been certain problems and issues that we are facing. So since you have won the title, so you have got a platform where you can speak out your mind. So what do you think about climate change?
The climate change is about nowadays. It is like the population is becoming the problem of people. So due to this, some factory or some pollution, this make the climate change and which make trouble for people somehow.
Yeah, exactly. That's a fact. So, Kerolin, like in order to participate in any kind of platform, a person need a lot of practice. So, how did you practice, and what are the steps that you use, in order to prove yourself?
My journey about this is that I usually practice at home, and I never had a training before, and even now too. And I just look at the mirror and I just try to practice with that. And I watch YouTube and internet of that Instagram, and it is helpful nowadays online internet. We get to know more about and create about more things. So I learn from that.
Okay. So since you're still studying, so did your classes and the grooming days, means like, is there any kind of problem that you face? Means like while you're participating within your classes and grooming and all?
Sometimes it used to be, but mostly it's whenever about this, it's come for, then I give my time for this, and there is not much problem about this.
Okay. So Kerolin, like, what is that one message that you want to give to the people who are watching you right now?
I just want to say that to every girl, you have your dream, just go with that. And if anything you feel like that you are down with that, please don't give up your aim. Just go to the high and be on you.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So Kerolin, what is that one thing that have always inspired you the most to be the best version of yourself?
That to trust ourselves and to believe ourselves. Without believing ourselves, we can't go forward. And just be positive and trust in God.
Yeah, that's great. I do the same thing. I always used to believe in myself, and I always have faith in God. So Kerolin, what is success according to you?
Success according to me is the aim which we want to fulfill. Though we drop down, but still we have to go on forward for that to get the goal and to achieve it.
Okay. So Kerolin, basically most of the people think that beauty pageant is all about the beauty and the glam. They always set a standard. So what according to you is a beauty pageant, and what is beauty pageant? Can you please tell the people?
Okay. Beauty pageant means where we have the competition, like the young ladies and even boys too, where we got the opportunity to show ourselves, the talent we have, and this all.
Okay. So who is your favorite beauty queen?
Actually, I did not watch too much, but I have in Karbi that our beloved teacher and our Miss ZKYF-2023.
Oh, that's great. So, since you have said about beauty pageants and all, so what is beauty according to you?
Beauty means that if we are love enough to ourselves and to give love to people, this is beauty inside ourselves. So,
okay. Then Kerolin, so since during the pageant, the competition, I believe that you had a questioning round. So what was the question and how did you answer it?
The question they were been asking me that who is the organizer of the Miss Japralangso. So I answered, the answer is that Acclaim Society, and I answer.
Okay. All right. Then Kerolin, what are your thoughts about the body shaming? Because these days the society have always set a standard about certain body types. So what do you want to say about it?
About this, we don't need to judge others too, and the way you are, you live with that. You don't need to matter what people say and what people say about your body. We don't have to say about this, so we don't have to judge. All are created by God, so we should love ourselves and to others too.
Exactly. So Kerolin, since we're talking, it's like I want to talk something about our culture, our traditions. So what according to you can uplift our culture more, so that the people will recognize more about the Karbi culture?
About our culture is that I love my culture, that is Karbi. We should move forward with everything, the dresses, the traditional food, and many more we have. So we should not let this down, and we should go forward with that. We should dress our own entire dress, and we should live with that, to know that people in the world, that our Karbi people are also one of them.
So Kerolin, what according to you that do you think that society, the younger generation, what is the challenge that they are facing the most?
Like nowadays, there is always negative side and positive too. So some of the child are distracting with using phone and online. So this is one of the distraction I could say, or I could point to. We should use less for this, but it is also good that we could get information from the internet use too. So I just want to say that if you want to be move on life, so you should get the thing used equal way.
Yeah, exactly. So Kerolin, it's like, what do you do during your free time?
During my free time, I studied, and somehow I usually learn some poem, and that's all I do.
Okay, Kerolin, it was so great chatting with you and to know so much from you. So ladies and gentlemen, she is Miss Kerolin Engtipi, the winner of Miss Japralangso ZKYF. Thank you so much, Kerolin, for coming here, and I pray and I wish that you will grow more in the future. And thank you, dear viewers, for watching our channel, Northeast Karbi Life.